my name is Dylan, and welcome to Dylan Todd Photography. I wanted to take a few moments to kind of give you a little tour about the studio and how it's set up and how it's used. So the area that I'm standing in right now is filled with seating and a nice TV. I use this area for viewing, so after the shoot, after the images are kind of processed, we'll be able to put them up on the screen and pick out your favorites. But it's just a nice, comfy, cozy space to kind of feel like home. As we move around the room, towards the back of that is my digital darkroom, as I like to call it. It's just kind of my work desk, and it's where a lot of magic happens. In the back corner is just kind of storage and lighting equipment. Along the area that I'm standing is actually my shooting space. So how I have it arranged is that on this wall, which would be your right, on your right is the kind of backdrops. I have my lighting, so I'll stand on this side of the room and photograph you that way. As we move around the room, we have this big, beautiful table. It's some sort of antique workbench. I have no idea. It came with the space. But what we like to do here is I like to have a bunch of refreshments out. So typically a bottle of rosé, little crackers and things like that. When we are doing portrait sessions, I have hair and makeup here. So you're able to sit in this big comfy chair and just kind of get pampered for a little bit before we start photographing. As we move around the room, there's a full-length mirror so you can take a look. Continuing on this wall, we have our little kind of coffee bar. There's water and creamers and things in the fridge. Up on the wall are examples of matted prints. And a little bit closer, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of out of camera. Oh, there we go. This is a little clothing rack so that you don't have to worry about where am I going to put everything. But yeah, so I just wanted to kind of take a few moments. I'm going to walk right back around the room just to show you what this space is and kind of how it's used. And so maybe when you're here next, you know exactly what's going on and where to do it, if that makes any sense at all. But thank you for joining me, and I'm sure that we'll chat again soon.